G'day, Richard here, and welcome to this edition of Hikelopedia from Western Australia again. I'm here this morning at the beginning of the Bigurda Trail. It's in a region of Western Australia called Kalbarri. It's about 5 or 6 hours drive north of Perth, and yeah, as you can see, it's an area with a beautiful coastline. It's an 8-kilometre coastal path that kind of winds its way through this kind of landscape. You can maybe also see some sea life while you're on the trail. There's dolphins down there apparently. And other times of the year, not now, you can see whales migrating, humpback whales, and various other creatures, kangaroos. I just saw a couple on the way in this morning. And yeah, it should be a nice walk. It's actually just after 5 now. The sun's coming up and it's pretty breezy. It's only about 20 degrees, so I'm going to start walking because I'm feeling a bit cold. There are a few lookout points along the hike. The one where we start is called Nature's Bridge or Natural Bridge, and this one is called Castle Cove. It's quite beautiful. And then there's another 2 or 3 kind of lookout points along the way. Bizarre bush cockroach. Now, I came down here yesterday with my family in the evening. I have some footage of that, which is this section that I'm on right now. So we'll roll that and you can see what the trail's like at the other end of the day, because right now the sun's in my face over there, and last night it's out at the sea. You get a really spectacular sunset. I would imagine anyway, because we missed it because we left before it, because 7-year-olds and patience don't really go together. But yeah, if you're ever here, I would suggest maybe doing the track in the evening, and then you'll be able to catch a beautiful sunset. But don't forget the fly net. They haven't woken up yet. There's 1 or 2 buzzing around, but I'm fully prepared this morning. The Kalbarri region may be rugged, but it also plays host to some of the most amazing scenery in Australia. Just a few kilometres south of here is the otherworldly hot lagoon, a saltwater lake that is coloured pink thanks to the presence of carotenoid producing algae. In the opposite direction is Kalbarri National Park, home to the iconic scenic spot known as Nature's Window, an Instagrammer's wet dream, as well as the 9-kilometre loop trail, which follows a gorgeous sandstone gorge cut by the Murchison River. It's a hostile environment though. The trail was closed on the day that we visited thanks to temperatures hovering at around 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, we're at Island Rock now, and the trail goes off-road in this direction. Spotted a lot of I don't know what kind of a bird of prey. I think it's kind of a kestrel or something. I'll try and find out along the way. Absolutely beautiful birds. Got a little bit of footage of one. I'm not sure what they catch along the path. Probably other birds or something. Maybe smaller birds. Yeah. I'm almost at the end now. It's 8 o'clock and it's quite considerably hotter than when I started 3 hours ago, or more than 3 hours ago. But it's been a really nice walk. Just slight up and down all the way along the path. Some of the path's sandy, some of it's rocky, but yeah, it's been good. Seen a bit of wildlife. Got a sweat up, and the best thing, not too many flies. We are here at Eagle Gorge. As you can see in the background, there's stunning views of the Kalbarri coast. Look at that. It's kind of like the Grand Canyon by the sea. And you can actually, there's a path down that leads down to that beach over there, which will obviously be quite secluded. It'd be quite nice to go for a snorkel or something. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the Bigurda Trail. It's a nice 8k walk along the coast of Kalbarri. It's beautiful, a lot of wildlife. If you get early in the morning you'll see a lot of kangaroos. The only thing I would recommend is that it's a one-way trail, so you need to arrange transport. Maybe you could drive to one end and then hitchhike back to the other end, because there's a lot of tourists passing through during the day, so I wouldn't imagine it's too difficult to get a ride. Or if you're with your partner, maybe they could pick you up from the other end. So that's one thing you need to keep an eye out for. And obviously bring a lot of water. Australia is a harsh environment, and it's just gone 8 in the morning, 8:15, and it's already roasting. So yeah, you need to take care of the sun. Nice hat, sunscreen, long sleeves, lots of water. I really enjoyed this walk, and I hope you've enjoyed it too. So if you did, please don't forget the thumbs up, crooked thumb, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos of my hikes and my Australia series. I've got a couple more videos coming up. And yeah, if you're really keen and you like my stuff, then you can always click notifications, get the bell on. Happy New Year! And that's it for today. G'day and over and out.